In my latest video on best ways to take collagen, I shared a recipe of keto custard soda to which I added the collagen powder, and you can go back and watch the recipe. Since then many people have been asking me, how do you make a keto custard? Custard has corn flour, it has sugar, how can it be low carb? So today we will make a keto low carb custard which is good for diabetics as well as the Weight Watchers. Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and to make this keto low carb custard we need 5 egg yolks. Now don't waste the egg whites, we will make low carb keto macarons out of it. This always happens to me. Every time I make a dish there are some ingredients that are to be used in the next dish, and so I end up making another recipe video. Anyway, to the egg yolks we will add a keto friendly sweetener. I am adding a stevia extract. You can add any sweetener that you like that is keto friendly and as much as you like. After this, in place of corn flour we will add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Make sure your gelatin is halal and don't add excess of it because it will become a jelly instead of a custard. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. I had a 400 ml can of coconut milk. I just took 2 tablespoons out of it. Anyway, once you have mixed up your egg yolks and sweetener well, now turn up your stove. Now we need to add 500 ml of coconut milk. I had a can of 400 ml. I added that. Also I added some vanilla to kill the smell of the egg yolk. And I added 100 ml of water just to clean up the can. And I added 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder to it. It would be best if you had original coconut milk that you made at home. On our channel we have also taught how to make coconut milk at home, but I live in a place where the coconuts are very expensive. 1 kg of coconut is for 700 rupees. So I am using canned coconut milk. Anyway, mix all the things together till it sort of boils. Now turn off the heat. Once you turn off the heat, now add the egg yolk mixture that we prepared as the first step. Mix it well either with hand or if you have a rechargeable whisk like me, use that. The mixture needs to be mixed well with no lumps at all. Our custard is almost done. Now we just need to cover it to let it cool down. After it has come to room temperature, we will just shift it to our serving bowls. You can do an individual serving like in a cup, or you can do a collective serving like in a heart-shaped bowl. These dishes we will put in the fridge and we will let our custard cool down overnight. In the morning before presenting our custard, we will decorate it. We can decorate it with strawberry or with nuts as I am doing. You can use cream, use your imagination. I am very sure you are gonna decorate it better than me. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below, did you make this custard? How much did you like it? And did you make an individual serving just for yourself, or did you make a collective serving for everyone? And how much did everyone like your custard? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.